Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. So feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's figure out how we can get this open here. So, let's see. Let's try looking at it this way. A lot of tape. Okay. Put some paper on top. I see a manifest. Get this into view here. So, Liberty Tree Collectors. Right. So, let's do an unload here. Let me get the box out of the way. Okay, so what should we tackle here first? Let's go biggest first. So it's the first item on the manifest. Belgian load-bearing set with 4 M16 pouches. It's in a bag, big bag. And looks like this was hanging up at some point. Very nice. So here's your pouches. So I'm not going to bother putting this together. This looks like your shoulder harness right here. Hard plastic buckles and D-rings. You can see the pattern there. No labels. You can see the stitching. Padded. Okay, so working our way down, this will be the cummerbund, kind of, and also the, looks like the main waist belt area. We're definitely going to have to try rigging this up, and it looks like it's been knotted across the back here. Could be wrong. Here we also have another attachment plate. You can see the various grommets for actually rigging metal clips through. Balance clips. Help cinch onto those points. And then the 4 pouches themselves also have the same camouflage pattern as well. These do appear slightly more showing the darker pattern as opposed to the lighter pattern, but this does face the outside. So you can see how this would rig up. So you can see how that sets up there. Let's set that aside. Okay. Next, we're coming to these bubble wrapped items. Not sure which is in what, so we're just going to pull this apart. So quickly get that right there. Alright, something just popped out. Okay, this is easy to identify. This is an AK-47 blank firing adapter. Metal, of course. It is magnetic. So, AK-47 BFA, blank firing adapter. Just going to put it back in in here for now. Just easier to store. Oh, nice. They've been labeled. Well, most of them have. Alright, so these are a bunch of broken case extractors. So this one being marked 30-06. So in the event that, let's say, you have a case rupture, a split case, you can then use this assembly to ram home into the chamber to pull out the broken casing, which normally, if it was split here, normally a casing you'd be able to extract via the rim. But let's say you pull out the rim, leaving the majority of the casing in there. This will ram in there, increase the diameter of the casing resistance, and then be able to extract the case that way. Or lock it onto here and then through a cleaning rod also direct force to force the casing out. At least that's the operational theory. So it may take repeated applications and care in order to be able to get out some of the more difficult ruptured cases. So 30-06. This one is marked 762 by 54R for the Mosin Nagant and other 762 54R platforms. You can see the different shape and profile of the components along the length of the different casing extractors because of the different dimensions along the length of the types of different casings. So this one is not marked, nor is this one. So based on the diameters, this one, according to the manifest, is a 5.56 NATO broken case extractor tool. You can see from the smaller diameters of the components. Again, the rim side, the mouth opening side, and this one, by process of elimination, will be a 7.62 by 39 AK-47/SKS broken case extractor tool, but anything in the 7.62 by 39 family. So you can see it's a wider diameter, more rivaling the 30 caliber diameter tools. We'll set this aside. Next, moving along here, let's see if we can get this one open. Multiple items here. Let's look at these two first. These two, some of you may recognize, are the U.S. military M16 rifle blank firing adapters, and these are the red painted ones as opposed to other organizations' yellow or other variations on the paint scheme, but it's supposed to be eye-catching to ensure that you know that something is muzzle obstructing. So you can see the various components here, and this is what I'm used to for adjustments. The ring there. Okay, so we got two of those. Alright, keeping things rolling here. This is going to be Yugoslav M70 AK-47 type grenade launcher. Aged lubricant that is actually very, in the light currently, very iridescent actually, kind of interesting. As soon as I pull it out, it's just going to look like grease. And it's actually stuck to the bag. due to its tack. Yeah, I can't get that out of there right now. So you can see it has knurled surface there to help with attachment. Grenade would actually attach to this point. This attaches to the muzzle end of the barrel. So again, the Yugoslav M70 AK-47 adapter. Grenade launcher. And let's open this last pouch here. Oops. Careful here not scratch everything. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is a lot of stuff here. Alright, did that. So all of this encompasses a Polish AK-47 WZ-60/72 grenade launcher set. It's quite a bit of stuff here. So this looks like buttstock adapter, I guess, an extra pad. I'm just guessing based on the shape and the strap point here, but this doesn't seem to make sense. Anybody knows, let me know. I'm going to have to do a little research. This is still wrapped in the original papers. You can actually see the shape. Very careful. Oh, there we go. So a little bit different than the previous example here. You see this one has a much different interface for the grenade, but similar muzzle threading here. But you can also see that there is definitely a profile diameter difference on the lengths of the different areas of the launcher itself. We have adjustment tool, slotted wrench end, and then in this last paper packet here, let's see if we can carefully open this. The gradation sight. Very nice. So let's see if we can lay these out here. Got a whole bunch of stuff. Some of it may not be as apparent because of the bags. I'll try to set these all out here. Alright, so working our way backwards. I have to cheat off of the paper. We have Polish AK-47 WZ-60/72 grenade launcher set. Let's skip to this one. The Yugoslav M70 AK-47 type grenade launcher. 2 of the U.S. military M16 rifle blank firing adapters. We're going to go through some broken case extractor tools backwards here. Here we have the 7.62 by 39 AK-47/SKS version. We have the 5.56 NATO version. We have the 7.62 by 54R version. And we have the 30-06 U.S. military version of the broken case extractor tool. We have the AK-47 blank firing adapter, and we had started off with the Belgian load bearing set with 4 M16 pouches. All of this stuff came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. There's a large variety of items. This is just a very small set of that. Liberty Tree Collectors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on specific vintage milk syrup tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.